Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zabariev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself. Welcome back everyone. Have you been dreaming about taking a vacation to a fantastic destination? Well, in this month's Excel challenge, we explore those possibilities and how a company might help you pay to bring along the whole family. Let's dig into this scenario. Our fictional company is arranging to send its 20 employees to an amazing vacation spot with 3 interconnected resorts. Employees are welcome to bring their entire family, but the company has limits on how much it can cover. Employees and their spouses or partners are fully covered, but children can only be covered according to a sliding scale. We've determined that every person's trip costs $1,200 US, so the first part of the challenge is to compute how much the company can cover for each employee's kids. Consider the sliding scale seen here and use the data set to crunch those numbers. Secondly, we won't be sending everyone to the same hotel. This vacation spot has 3 resorts, and where we send each employee and their families will vary based on seniority and the size of their party. Using the terms seen here, determine which of the 3 resorts where we will send each employee and their family. This will require considering a combination of the employee's years of experience with the company and how many children they're bringing on the trip. By the end of your computations, you'll be able to see how much compensation the company will be covering to bring all those kids to the resorts and how many families will be staying at each resort. This challenge is designed to help you practice applying conditional logic. So, do you think you can figure it out? Download the challenge file and give it a try. Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!